Mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni mamenereirie itua ria bunge ya Senate kuhagura munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua makiuga ndanaheo mweke wa gwitetera thutha wa kugumirwo ni ndwari mathaa manini mbere ya ihinda riria aratanyitwo kuheana uira mbere ya bunge ya Senate. Akiaria ari thibitari-ini wa Karen kuria Gachagua arathie na mbere na kurigitwo, mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka augite itua ria kuhagura Gachagua ni undu wa bangitwo kuma tene, akiuga spika wa bunge ya bururi na bunge ya Senate matinonania waragania o wothe mutaratara-ini uyu.
Do not have a problem with the tender, we have a problem with the priority.
Itua ria bunge ya Senate kuhagura munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ona atahetwo mweke wa gwitetera thutha wa kugumirwo ni ndwari na kana mitaratara iria yagiriire ni rarumirirwo ni gatagati ka ndereti hiu iria ciatinda mirugamo ngurani igithie na mbere kwiyumiria.
Will your children be the ones?
Hamwe na aria mamenereirie itua riri ni gikundi kia atongoria a mwena wa mung'ethaniro aria marokire gucerera Gachagua thibitari-ini wa Karen kuria arathie na mbere kwamukira urigiti kuma muthenya wa ira. Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka. Atongoria aya maugite Gachagua ndanatuirwo na kihoto kuona ndanaheo mweke wa kwiyaria ona thengia ya mawakiri ake kuria bunge ya Senate kumuhe ihinda.
You cannot, the law of natural justice demands that no person, man or woman, shall be condemned unheard.
When Speaker Kingi withdrew to his chambers, what were his instructions? We suspect and we believe he was told by stroke of midnight, you must be done with this man. And that is what happened.
Kalonzo augite ona gutuika riri ni itua rigutura riririkanitwo wiyathi wa bunge ya bururi na bunge ya Senate riu ni undu wa gwikirirwo nganja, akiuga gutirari na gitumi o giothe gia kuhenyukia mihang'o ino. Mĩario yake ikinyitwo mbaru ni mutongoria wa kiama kia DAPK Eugene Wamalwa.
What happened in the Senate last night was as historic as it was, it had serious flaws.
If we ever doubted that our parliament is under capture by the executive, a very overbearing executive, last night was our evidence.
Atongoria aya mathiete na mbere gwikwa ati spika wa bunge ya bururi na spika wa bunge ya Senate makoretwo makionania king'ang'a-ini murugamo wao ukoni ndereti ya kuhagura Gachagua, makiuga gitama giki kiaritwo na maumirira gubangwo kuma o tene.
I once was deputy speaker of parliament, and one of the worst mistakes you can make as a legislator is to anticipate debate. The whole National Assembly anticipated the outcome of the deliberations of the Senate.
Open bias was shown by the Speaker, Wetangula, Deputy Speaker, Sholei, Majority Leader, Kimani Ichung'wah, the Chief Whip, Osoro, and there couldn't have been a fair trial for Rigathi.
Atongoria aya aria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio oho maugite ndereti ino ni irahithuririe king'ang'a-ini murugamo ngurani wa atongoria a kiama kia ODM aria makoretwo magithie mugaru na murugamo wa ngwataniro ino na kunyita mbaru thirikari.
We have differed not just on this impeachment, not just on joining the bread-based government. We have also differed on Adani, and yesterday we were in court led by senior counsel. Kenyans will on 22nd of October see who is really fighting for them, because we'll be back in court.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadurwa.
Nao Akenya aikiro itiganite ni maheanite mirugamo itiganite igie kwamurwo kwa minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki ta munini wa president. Amwe a aikari ni matugiritie ikinya ria President William Ruto guku angi ao magiukirira President William Ruto ni undu wa guthagathagia Gachagua. Tuthikiririe mamwe ma mawoni maria marutitwo ni muingi kuma icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi.
hii kitu ya kuwa Kindiki Kithure mwenyewe amepewa ile kazi ni mzuri. Wakenya wakumbuke kwamba it was long overdue. He was the favorite of the people. Alikuwa watu wote ni yeye wanataka, hata wale wambunge wenye walikuwa wanataka kusimama na chama ya UNDA wakati ule wa nominations ni yeye walikuwa wamechagua. In fact, uamuzi wa watu ulikuwa kutoka kitambo ni Kithure Kindiki.
Kithure Kindiki hata saidia kitu, sababu atakuwa tu hapo kama kitu ya kuwekwa. Ikiwa mtu yule alichaguliwa na kura ya raia ametolewa na madharau kali, naye huyu naye wa kuwekwa hapo, unajua akikosa kidogo atatimuliwa kwanza asubuhi. Sasa ndio nasema sisi wa Kenya hatujasaidika.
Gite kiu tutaraike ndandwa mauti Kenya ona getu kan to kienda ri Kindiki na ikinyetie kiro iria ciagerire cira na muthuri uyu ni turabatara mundu murito wa guturi president hare ya mauti turi ta andu akirima. Kindiki ndai na kiro cia gutuika deputy president.
Tutaikari anyere tutaikari wa muhuri wa kura wa njiko wothe ithwe Kindiki kindu kia mbere ithwe tuwe mutongoria witu ni Rigathi wa Gachagua guthii atia kana guthii atia ona mutuike atia ithwe miaka iyo itatu ni tugwitikira guikara twi ciana cia ndigwa ngina riria mwaka uyu tugukorwo tugithurana ringi 2027 reke tuikare twi ciana cia ndigwa.
Ahuthirire Rigathi wa Gachagua okumuringia rui na riu atucokeria Rigathi wa Gachagua ari murwaru ari thibitari no riria Macris closaga all valleys ciothe cia Mount Kenya agetherwo gitiri hindi yo ndagwetaga Kindiki no riu tondu ni akinyo hari arendaga mundu atakuhota kumumonita mundu atakuhota kumutwara na makinya make nikio retha mundu simple. Therefore we are very much disappointed and due to we mundu ucio ni atu betray.
Wamenwo ndukemene. Andu a matura maria mangi wathi Rift Valley, wathi Nyanza, wathi Eastern, wathi ona Western, gutire mundu ungiahiga aikire muru wa nyina. No kirima twina roho wa Kaini. Ati ne turokira tukambia kuraga muru wa maitu tondu twerwo ni mundu wa handu hangi turage mundu wa maitu.
Riboti yo niyo ya tuhingira mohoro maitu kwa ihinda riri ni tugukorwo tugicemania nawe oro ringi wona cihanda thaa 3 cia utuku thiini wa mutamburuko wa mohoro twaki mwendithiria wiroreri mwega wa tabarira iria cikurumirira ni njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a tuguteithanagia na Nyambura wa Musha mutwathiriri na njira ya cikogia na hwaini muhoreru.
Kameme TV, muthegi wa ruriri.